CRISPR doesn't do anything as a nuclease that ZFNs or talons didn't do. It's just better, faster, cheaper, easier to use. But then taking this simple little bacterial nuclease and changing it and turning it into a targetable protein that you can drag anything to a specific locus in the genome is incredible for turning genes on in their endogenous loci, turning them off, cutting them, adding new sequence. The versatility is just really astounding and unprecedented. So, I'm constantly racking my brain for what's that thing that no one's thought of that we could try out with CRISPR and the Cas system. So, yeah, I love that as a scientist.
I've met a lot of world-leading experts with a wealth of knowledge who are very keen to and interested to listen about my project and help me and give me tips about the specific experiments that I'm doing, which is extremely useful. And at the same time, I've got some hands-on experience in the lab doing CRISPR myself, and it's amazing how in 2 days you can actually feel you can do it now with such ease.
I really like the practical side of things. There was a time where we got in a classroom in small groups and we talked about the bioinformatics side, exactly how we go about choosing different CRISPRs to use in different locations and how we go about knocking out genes and doing that kind of stuff. So I think that that's really helpful, getting a feel for exactly what you need to do and what works and what doesn't work. So that way you can get started in working in the lab. I also really like learning about how versatile CRISPR was. I definitely heard about it, read a few articles about it, but I have no experience with it, so it's really cool to see what CRISPR is capable of and all the different projects and all the different applications it has.
Just generally for me, the aim was to make connections and explore what people are going to be using the technology with. But on a personal level, I'm from a genomics background, so it was brilliant to sort of get back in the lab and start having a look at the bioinformatics and really sitting down and listening to the people who've been running these applications in the lab and seeing what work they've been doing. So these are like some of the best minds in the world, clearly, so it was fantastic to get sort of lectures from them.
So because we've seen, the setup, we've had an actual hands-on, practical on actually, transforming using the CRISPR-based approach. So now it doesn't look, that mystic anymore. I think it's possible, and we've seen the equipment that one needs. So with that, it's easy for me to really plan out to really get started.
I've seen so many creative people take that system and turn it into something else that was just unprecedented, unexpected. That's a big reason why I'm in science, right? Just seeing people, normal people, smart people, take things out of nature and turn them into useful tools for humanity.